Now, the ABVP members will hold a protest march in the North Campus of Delhi University demanding filing of a charge sheet in the JNU sedition case, and also to demand the addition of sedition charges against Ramjas College protests that took place on the 21st and 22nd of February. In fact, Iknoor is joining us live from outside the Arts Faculty at Delhi University. Iknoor, we're seeing the Delhi police preparing for the protests that are set to take place. Describe what is the plan of the ABVP as they try to push for the charge sheet to be filed in the sedition case.
Well, yes, indeed, the ABVP plans to do a Save DU march today, which will be a mega march organized by the ABVP, because the ABVP, of course, at this point of time, wants to prove that they have the support of the students of Delhi University, and that's what they've been saying all along. So this will definitely be a way for them to prove their numbers and to show, in fact, others that the majority of support of Delhi University students is with the ABVP, and to also appeal for peace in the campus. In fact, right behind me, you can see there is heavy police deployment at Arts Faculty right now. The protesters started about 12 p.m. They'll start marching from Arts Faculty, go all around the North Campus via some of the most important colleges, also crossing Khalsa College, Daulat Ram, Miranda House, SRCC, Ramjas, and finally back to Arts Faculty. And that is what their route will be. And their main demand, of course, will be to not allow anti-national elements from outside to enter the campus, and that the authorities should take action against those who organized that particular event in Ramjas where Umar Khalid was invited, and that such incidents don't take place again in the future. And the ABVP, of course, has been coming out and saying repeatedly that they were not the ones who initiated violence in campus, and all along with the ABVP in Delhi University there has always been peace in the campus, and suddenly the peace has been disrupted because outsiders are coming in, and that's what the ABVP's message will be. Through this protest, we did see a mega protest that was organized by primarily the left unions, where several other students from Delhi University had joined in as well a couple of days ago, where they marched from Khalsa College all the way till Arts Faculty. But today is ABVP's turn to show those numbers and say that yes, there are students in Delhi University who support us as well, and that the ABVP was not the only one who was on the wrong, and that a fair probe should take place in this matter.